We are dropping straight into the Middle East, the undisputed, pulsing epicenter of black gold. This single sun-scorched region hoards a staggering 48% of the entire planet's proven oil reserves. Beneath the shallow waters of the Persian Gulf lies the most highly concentrated, massive deposit of wealth on Earth. But how? Let's aggressively rip time backward 200 million years to the ancient prehistoric Tethys Ocean. These glowing, microscopic phytoplankton are the absolute key. Trillions of tons of organic, biological fuel. When they died, they rained down into a suffocating zero-oxygen death zone. No decomposition, just pure accumulation. Millions of years of heavy sediment violently crushed this organic graveyard, turning it into a massive geological pressure cooker. The extreme heat and crushing weight physically mutated the dead sludge into boiling black crude oil and natural gas. The oil tried to escape to the surface, but a massive, impenetrable vault of underground salt violently slammed the door shut. Then, an apocalyptic tectonic collision. The Arabian and Eurasian plates smashed together, physically buckling the Earth's crust. This massive crash perfectly folded the underground rock, creating anticline traps, nature's ultimate impenetrable storage tanks. Enter Saudi Arabia's Ghawar field. It is so impossibly massive you could drop the entire state of New Jersey inside it. Pierce the trap and the pressure violently erupts, blasting out over 100 barrels of crude oil every single second. Across the Gulf, Qatar and the UAE sit on the ultimate gas giant, powering high-tech offshore fortresses. But this immense power funnels through a terrifying red zone, the Strait of Hormuz, the world's ultimate choke point. Nearly 30% of all ocean-traded oil is squeezed right through this highly volatile, heavily militarized crosshair. From here, glowing veins of liquid energy aggressively pump outward, physically powering the economies of the entire globe. This raw, explosive wealth transformed desolate sand into the towering, hyper-futuristic megametropolis of Dubai. But a terrifying paradox is emerging. Carbon emissions are rapidly turning the region into an unlivable, boiling furnace. Now, a desperate race against the clock begins. Massive solar grids are aggressively fighting to replace the oil before it's too late. Falling down this rusted pipe, you realize this entire modern empire was built in just 100 years on ancient mud. Yet satellites confirm the truth. Trillions of dollars of untouched black gold are still hiding deep beneath the desert rock. Dead plankton, a massive salt cap, and a tectonic collision. It was a 1 in a billion geological accident. The Persian Gulf will continue to fiercely power the rotating Earth, a massive battery born from the ancient deep. They played the greatest geological lottery in the history of the planet, and they absolutely won it all.